Hey, welcome to Sherrie Studio. This is your luxury, all-inclusive, creative, and co-working space. At the Sherrie Studio, you are able to come in and dive into a world of creativity, manifestation, and all things productivity. Our unique space is filled with lots of amenities so that way you can co-work, content create, have photo shoots, video shoots, record podcasts, and even host your favorite intimate events. We've made sure that every zone has a unique design that's custom tailored to fit whatever style that reflects your brand and your individual personality. Our space is filled with color, texture, and all types of amazing details so you can be photo ready for your big day. One of my favorite things about the Sherrie Studio is our design room. This is the perfect place to create visions that are bold, colorful, and right on brand for you and your clients. Can you see yourself sitting here at the round table, pulling out swatches, pinning mood boards, and all the things? I know, I can too. We have everything you need from computers, to ring lights, to instant cameras, digital cameras, staplers, printers, fax machines, everything. You name it, we have it here at the Sherrie Studio to make your working and creative experience productive.